Okay, this is the second video of learning periodic table and atomic number in the easiest way. Earlier we have studied about S block and P block elements. Today I will teach you D block and F block elements. So let's start. Good morning class. So today we are going again to study the next D block elements. Till now we have completed S block and P block elements, and let's start learning the D block elements. We will learn them in period wise, and today I'll give you a very good Sanskrit Shakti mantra to learn the elements of D block. थोड़ा शक्ति चाहिए हमें उसके लिए, तो स्टार्ट ही करते हैं शक्ति से. शक्ति वक्रमन फिको निकुजन. शक्ति वक्रमन फिको निकुजन, वेरी इजीली लर्न. मैंने बताया संस्कृत मंत्र, तो इसको मंत्र मत मान लीजिएगा, ये हमारा केमिस्ट्री मंत्र है, संस्कृत मंत्र नहीं है. शक्ति वक्रमन, so शक्ति वक्रमन for SC, that is scandium, T that is titanium, V for Va, Cr for chromium, Man manganese, Phi for Fe, Co, Co, Ni, Ni, Cu, Cu, and Zan, Zn. Very easily you can write with the name with these words the letters, or you can say symbols of the elements. No, so what are the names of these elements? Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Iron and copper are the Latin names, so these are the symbols, Latin name symbols. How can we learn the atomic numbers? As we are doing the simultaneous work, we are learning the elements also, and we are learning atomic numbers in an easy way. So let's start. Scandium, you just learn the atomic number of the first series, first element of the series, and the rest is in the sequence, just plus one. So scandium is that is 21. 21 plus 22, then 23, then 24, then 25, then 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. That's it. Easily, super easy. Learn the names and the atomic numbers in few minutes. Okay, so let's start learning of the fifth period elements of D block. Yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, rubidium, rhodium, palladium, silver, and cadmium. For this I have prepared this mnemonic. You can say it like yttrium. Y, so letter 5 Y, we have taken word Y. Y. Q. Zernab. Zernab is a name of any person which is making from zirconium and niobium. Zernab. Molybdenum. Mu tak rio re. केमिस्ट्री क्लास में जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो टीचर भी परेशान है कि वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रियो रे पढ़ एजीसीडी. कुछ तो पढ़ ले, भले ही एजीसीडी पढ़ ले, एबीसीडी नहीं पढ़, बट वाई जर्नब मुंह तक रियो रे पढ़ एजीसीडी. I think it is a very easy mnemonic to learn the D block element of fifth period. Now let's take the look on the atomic numbers. So the atomic number of yttrium is 39. After that we go in the sequence, turn wise turn. Zirconium is 40, niobium 41, molybdenum 42, technetium 43, rubidium 44, rhodium 45, palladium 46, silver 47, and cadmium is 48. See, it is very easy to learn the names and the atomic numbers of the periodic table. Now we have reached to the sixth period of D block elements. So because it was a little bit longer series, so I have written it in a vertical manner, but we will take in the sentence way. So let's take the mnemonics. See, La Hafta. Okay, Hafta हमने सुना होगा ना, that in movies you must have heard that हफ्ते पैसे वसूले जाते हैं. So केमिस्ट्री में भी ला हफ्ता, हफ्ते का हफ्ते वर्क चाहिए केमिस्ट्री में हमें. ला हफ्ता. डब्ल्यू रे. डब्ल्यू बहुत ही कॉमन नेम है इंडिया में, खासकर नॉर्थ इंडिया में. डब्ल्यू रे, वरना उस आयरन रॉड से पिटाई और होगी. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक द सिंबल्स. ला, LA, लैंथेनम. हफ्ता, सो इट इज मेड बाई टू लेटर्स, टू elements together. Hafta, so Haf, HF, that is hafnium. Ta, that is tantalum. W I have written it in inverted commas. Again the Latin names that is tungsten, Re for rhenium, Us osmium, आयरन रॉड से that is आयरन, यहाँ पर आयरन वो आयरन Fe वाला आयरन नहीं, this is iridium, iridium से हमने आयरन बनाया है यहाँ पर. आयरन रॉड से पिटाई that is platinum, or for that aurum that is gold, and Hogi for mercury that is and now we will take the names. So lanthanum, hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, gold and mercury. Let's take the atomic numbers of these elements. Lanthanum is 57. Now it is a very interesting, I have put it in the box, you can see, because after lanthanum, lanthanoids start. Lanthanoids are the F block elements. Okay, so there is a gap. They should be in the third period, but they are not here. And similar with the actinium, that is actinoids, that is also in the F block. So after 57, we jump from 58 to 71 in the F block, and we directly come here to 72. That is hafnium, it is 72. Then for tantalum 73, tungsten it is 74, then rhenium it is 75, osmium it is 76, iridium that will be 77, platinum it will be 78, gold that will be 79, and at last mercury it will be 80. So easy to learn the atomic names and the symbols and names of the element of D block. Next we will start with the F block elements. Take a look. We are starting with the final block elements of after the D block elements here, that is F block elements. So let's start. I have written the trick and names of the elements here so that we can save some time. So first take the mnemonic so that we can learn the sequence first. Okay, that is लानत है, सेलेना, प्रीति एंड पामेला. तीन फ्रेंड्स हैं. लानत है सेलेना, प्रीति एंड पामेला तुम पे. सैम की यूरोपियन गाड़ी में तबीयत ढीली हो गई और तुम यहाँ लौट आई. सैम की यूरोपियन गाड़ी में तबीयत ढीली हो गई और तुम यहाँ लौट आई. ओके, इजी. सो नाउ वी विल टेक द एलिमेंट सिंबल. लानत है से हमने उठाया है La, दैट इज फॉर लैंथेनम. आपको पता है हमने डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट बताया था. आफ्टर द लैंथेनम वी स्टार्ट द लैक्टेनॉइड सीरीज. ओके, लैंथेनॉइड सीरीज. सो दिस इज लैंथेनॉइड सीरीज. ओके, सिक्स्थ पीरियड. वी हैव दिस इज सिक्स्थ पीरियड. नाउ La, Selena, Ce for cerium, Preeti, Pr for praseodymium, and for Nd, neodymium, Pamela for promethium, Pm. Then Sam ki samarium is the name of the element, that is Sm. Europium, that is the element for European गाड़ी. Eu, गाड़ी में gadolinium, Gd. तबीयत for terbium, हमने उठाया यहाँ से Tb, this is Tb. ढीली हो गई, ढीली के लिए डिस्प्रोसियम, dy. हो गई होलोमियम, Ho, और अर्बियम, Er, एंड तुम थूलियम, Tm. यहाँ यट्रिबियम, Yb, लौट आई, लुटेटियम, Lu. So these are the symbols and elements name along with the mnemonic. Now we will write the atomic numbers. It is very easy because it is in the period. So just first element you have to remember. Then all the others have the just one plus. Like lanthanum has 57. That cerium will be 58. It's presidium, that is 59. Then neodymium, it will be 60. Then promethium 61. Samarium 62, Europium 63, gadolinium 64, terbium 65, dysprosium 66, holomium 67, erbium 68, thulium 69, ytterbium that will be 70, and lutetium that will be 71. And after that, from 72, we have studied in the D block elements. Have a look. At last, we are going to complete the F block elements here. You can see I have written the mnemonics and the elements name with their symbols. That is 7th period, last, and most of them are radioactive elements. Okay, so let's have a look of the mnemonic. एसी था पड़ा उस नीरज के पास, पुरानी अमेरिकन कंपनी का, बेकार सीलिंग फैन ऐसी फैमिली जो मिडिल क्लास हो नहीं लाइक करती. Very easy to learn the statement wise. Okay, so AC for actinium, tha for thorium, pada tha Pa, that is protactinium, us for U say us आया uranium, नीरज neptunium, that is Np, पुरानी plutonium, that is Pu, American, that is americium, Am, company curium for Cm, Beggar, berkelium for Bk, then ceiling fan, californium, Cf, Einsteinium for Ac, AES, family जो fermium, that is Fm, middle class हो, that is Mendelium, Md, नहीं for nobelium, that is No, like करती for lawrencium, Lr. You can see here mostly many of the elements are just named by after the name of the scientist who have done some very important discoveries or inventions in the field of chemistry. They were awarded by the name, or in the sciences also. In any fact, the IUPAC have given the award, you can say just for their legendary work. It has named some elements after their names. So let's have a look of the after the names easily, which you can learn. Now the atomic numbers of this last series. Actinium, as we have studied in the D block, after actinium we have got jumped, so the remaining elements are here. Ac, that will be the atomic number of actinium is 89, then thorium it is 90, then protactinium it is 91, uranium 92. आपने न्यूक्लियर फिशन न्यूक्लियर फ्यूजन रिएक्शंस में जब पढ़ा होगा तो उसमें लाइक न्यूक्लियर फिशन रिएक्शन पढ़ाई हुई बाय टेकिंग यूरेनियम है 92. देन फॉर नेप्ट्यूनियम इट इज 93, plutonium that is 94, that americium that is 95, then cerium it is 96, then berkelium it is 97, californium this is 98, einsteinium that is 99, fermium that is 100, and mendelium that is 101, then nobelium that is 102, and at last lawrencium that is 103. So these here we have completed all the elements and their atomic numbers. In the group 7th period, still the 7th period is considered as incomplete because some elements more can be accommodated which are not discovered yet. Okay, and some elements, some radioactive elements which we have studied in the P block element last period was left out because mostly those are not studied because they have radioactive properties. They do not show the same kind of properties as the P block element and other elements in their respective groups. So here we have finished about these atomic numbers. Next we will study about the electronic configuration and other things in other chapter. Good luck and study.